mixed up with a roses haul. Okay, starting over here, we got a swirl mop, as seen on TV. We have some Hawaiian Punch, the juicy red fruit kind. We have the lemon squeeze kind. I picked up the wrong kind. We have lemonade Dole. We have, that's pink lemonade Dole. We have 2 plain lemonade Dole drinks. We have 2 20 counts of plastic cups. We have 2 80 counts of wipes. We have an ice cream scoop. We have some wash rags. I have some stick pretzels, and I have some mini twist pretzels. I have a hands-free can opener because I'm just a little annoyed with the manual one. So, while I had the chance to use it, I went ahead and got it. And that's it for this haul, guys. Stay tuned for the review of this swirl and twirl mop. Alright guys, so I'm gonna do a review on this spin mop. I got it for Roses, guys. This is for half of the price. They way down. It's like more than half of the price that you would spend on a mop like this, because I have got it for Walmart and paid a lot more for it, guys. This is a really nice mop, guys. Okay, so I want to tell you about this mop. In the mop bucket, it's really nice. Like, you could put your foot. Now this thing look like it's already been used on it. Look at it. Look like dirt all in there. I gotta get some bleach and put it on in there. Like, what in the world? But anyways, this like one of these mop buckets that you could put like your foot on the like it's like a pedal on the side, and like you squeeze it down and all the water comes out. This right here, this mop, what is called? This mop head, I can't even think right now. This mop head is machine washable. So you can take this off and put it in the washing machine and use it over for you know, time and time again. And as I use this thing, I'm gonna let y'all know in future videos how it works. But it's pretty thick, y'all, for it to be the price that it was. It's an as seen on TV. I got this because I want to avoid like putting my hands on a dirty mop. It says it's no dirty mops, no dirty sponges, no wasting money, and that's true. It's a really great product, because I've had one of these before, but this is my first time getting it from this store that I got it from. And I got this from Roses. And it comes with, let me show y'all. And it comes with, let me see. It comes with 1 bucket, 1 extended mop, and 1 mop head. It says the mop head is made of microfiber material. Hand-free mop wringing. You know how you get a mop and you have to wring that mess out and wring that mess out and wring that mess out, unless you get one of those twist mops that you have to wring out. But with those twist mops, those things break really fast. And that's one thing about this. I rather have this mop than the twist mop, because they break so fast, guys. And with this mop, all you have to do is you put it inside that part right there. You stick the mop in that part right there. You like insert it in there and push it down with your feet, and it squeeze out all the water, guys. And it says super observant, efficient at trapping dirt and messy spills. That's true, because I've used one of these before. But it was a really good price. I originally seen that they had these at Roses on Brown Eyes on the Budget channel. I'm gonna put the link. I'm gonna put a link in the description of her channel, guys. I would love for you guys to check her channel out. She shows you how to save money and just really shop on a budget. If you really don't have a lot and you don't want to spend a lot of money, watch her channel, because she will help you a whole lot to learn how to shop on a budget, guys. Okay, I also wanted to review this tripod, guys. This is a new tripod that I got from off of Amazon. And for both products, I'm going to leave a link in the description on both products. I am not sponsored by either either company for either one. This is a Vixum portable tripod. Okay, guys. As you can already see, it comes in the bag. I'm going to open up the bag, guys, so you guys can see the actual tripod. I'm going to open up the bag. This is what it looks like, guys. Really nice, guys. Like, this is like, it doesn't feel flimsy at all. You ever had a tripod that feels really flimsy? This one is not flimsy at all, guys. Like, it looks very, very sturdy. I think I'm going to like this. It looks very sturdy, guys. Look at this. Look how sturdy this thing is. I'm finna show y'all. I got to figure out how to put this thing together, first of all. But it looks sturdy. Look how thick it is, guys. Oh, my God. Look how thick it is. I'm going to show you guys. And you know, this part right here, you hook it up. You hook that up. So you can put your phone in it. And then it comes with a Bluetooth remote. Let me show you. It shows you the with your camera or your phone. Anyone. It says it's compatible with phone, action camera, a regular camera, a projector, a tablet, travel portable, microphone, and live broadcast. This is I can tell that I'm gonna really enjoy this. It's also, you can also use it as a selfie stick tripod. You can expand it out too if you want to. But you can use it as a selfie stick tripod too, like this too. It depends on what you want. This is a really great tripod, guys. I can already tell it's going to be a really great one. I'm going to tell you guys more about it on future videos. But you know, I'm just excited about this tripod. I want to invest more in my channel. I want you guys to see the name of it. Get a closer look. But it is so thick and sturdy, y'all. You just wouldn't believe, you know, how thick and sturdy it is. I just could not believe that, though. And it says if you write a review, you can get a... I gotta read into that. Something that I need to read into, y'all. But I'm sitting up here just talking and talking and talking. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I want you guys to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much for just taking the time out your day to watch my video. And it really means so much to me, guys. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you guys, new and returning subscribers, guys. I love you guys. God bless you guys. See you in the next video. Peace.